So, you want to do a custom map on Rust. I understand. And if you're using Linux GSM, I can tell you exactly how you can do it. I've been going through this issue for quite a while, just running in through a few problems, so I can pretty much give you every solution for everything I have ran into. I do like these custom maps, they're very fun to do. So, here is my... I use a VNC connection because I actually have an actual server unit, but I'm lazy and I use this. If you want to know my directory path, this is my user file, so it would be this your user, and then here is where you would go. So this is the file that you would be configuring right here, but I'm going to do the default because that will actually be a lot easier for myself. Okay. So basically, all you need to do is open up this. Okay. So the main reason why I'm doing this is I don't want to show my password. Make sure you have that set. You can't mess with good old Rust security. So first of all, we're gonna comment out server level. Then we'll skip that for now. We're gonna come back to that. Comment out seed, comment out salt, and comment out world size. You'll be getting all of that from your custom server or custom map. So there is 3 ways to get a URL. A lot of YouTube guides that are right now try to think that you need to make a website. You don't need to make a website. There is a few things you can do. Firstly is uploading a file to Dropbox. I got quite a few maps here, as you can see. Yeah, this one. This is a custom map, or not a custom map, a public map. You know, Blue Tiers is a paid map. Don't want to get in trouble by the mod maker. If he saw this video, I would understand if he got mad. So you upload the link, then you just well, you need to make it big. So, click the blue lettering. Yeah, copy link. That is one way. Alternatively, you can upload it to Dropbox. Here, let me get a Dropbox link real quick. Alright, yeah, so this is your Dropbox link by default. Basically, as you saw, all you do is you change the 0 at the end of 1. Basically, what you need in order for this to work is called a direct download link. So the second you click it, as you saw at the top, it downloads. It works the same for this, and then it would work the same as well if you made your website. All options, yes. If you have a website, use it by all means. I ended up using it because I ended up already making one, so why the fuck not? Okay, so I'm gonna use this just because it's the easiest way of doing it. Alrighty, so just copy and paste that into there, and then custom level URL right here. Just take that, copy that, and then from server max players to server level right here, just delete all of that, and then paste this. Make sure you space that out. Yep. And then you would just do file, save, and that's literally it. There's a few problems that you can run into. There is a HTTP 404 error. That basically just means that your URL is bad. I don't know what you managed to do to make the URL bad, but the URL is bad. And then there is one other one, which I forgot to take a screenshot of. Let me grab it real quick. I have found it. is this error right here. Basically, this means your ISP is blocking port 80, and you're going to need to either A, call them, just get in contact with them in some way, and request for them to unblock it. I ran into this problem, and it really pissed me off. I have Optimum, so if you have Optimum, I do have a solution for you. When I called them, they tried to tell me that I need a business account, and they refused to unblock it, which was kind of bullshit. But I ended up messaging their Twitter account, with their Twitter support account. Don't know many companies that do that, and they unblocked it for me, and now it's working. I've been using this Blue Tiers map, very good map. Having a lot of fun just going and exploring all these custom things. I'll probably end up checking out all of this area later on. But I really do recommend doing a custom map. It's a lot of fun. And that's basically it. Just do this, run it, and if you end up doing it correctly, well, if you end up doing it correctly like I showed and it still doesn't work, there would be basically, if the server crashes, then that's going to mean that it's on the side of the custom server, on the custom map, so there's some problem with the custom map. But if for whatever reason a procedural map generates and it ignores the custom level or custom map, then that means something is wrong with your config. That means your start parameters may not be right, this may not be right. You can, if you needed to, like, put the URL right here and delete that, but you shouldn't have to. I didn't need to, and I don't see why you would need to. But that is an option. But yeah, I feel like I was able to cover everything. So, y'all have a good day. I hope it was able to work out.